Mas malalim na to. Wag na wag po kayong maglalak dito. Kasi recently naglock dito. Yun, alam niyo naman kung ano nangyari. Nasaan si Puso at si Saging? Wala sila rito.
It's from Kita Kita. It's all white.
Yeah. Wala ka makikita. Ayan po, bumabagsak na ang snow. Oh.
It's all white in here.
Ayan, kuha ka sa kamay mo. Tignan mo kung ano.
Sama ano kang dubaw? Drinking coffee and eating ice cream.
Yeah, you can do both.
This is the view.
Sobat na kami. Pero so nag-video pa rin. We're in a postcard. As you can see. Sobrang ganda ng view. I know kung nakikita siya sa video. Pero
It's all white.
yeah. Oh.
Ito yung malaki. Ito yung pinag sa akin kanina eh.
Pakita mo kung gaano kapila yung pang ice ball, pang snowball. Halo-halo.
Gusto ko na po ng winter. Di, sobrang lalim nun oh.
Saan?
Sobrang lalim. Hindi sa... Ikaw muna mauna. Dahil lang mas mahaba yung legs mo kaysa sa akin, baka hindi ako Really? Ay, pumapasok na sa sapatos mo. You know? Really? I can't. I don't know. It's too deep. I don't like this. Uy, dapat video.
Walang bakat.
Aww.
There. Ang dami.
Kaya mo yata ako nang tanggalin.
Ay. Nangingitim na po kami. See, all white. Hi dear.
Hi. I'm so loving the view.
Thank you for waiting. The gondola will now depart the midpoint station and descend to the base station. Please note that the gondola may shake when passing through the towers.
その後、2度の改修を経て、より静かで快適な乗り物となりました。
The Sapporo Mount Moila Ropeway started operation in 1958. Since then, the ropeway has undergone 2 renovations to make it a quieter and more comfortable ride.
非常に近く、都市と自然が隣接した全国的にも大変珍しい山でございます。
Mount Moila is very near, only about 5 kilometers away from the city center, making it a rare mountain, even in Japan, where nature brushes so close to the urban city. The night view of Sapporo City, including the view from Mount Moila, has been certified as one of the new 3 great night views of Japan at the Night View Summit 2022, along with Kitakyushu City and Nagasaki City.
ご注意くださいませ。
We will soon be arriving at the foot of the mountain. Please note that the gondola may shake when entering the boarding area.